Takeover. Government to forcibly buy out Venezuela's 49% stake in Petrojam. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, premature, hostile and unwarranted. Opposition slams Petrojam takeover.
Clean up. NSWMA embarks on drive to rid the island of mosquito breeding sites in light of dengue outbreak.
Consulting recommendations given for improving tourism image.
And in business news, Fontana first to list in 2019.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the government's decision to make a compulsory acquisition of Venezuela's shares in Petrojam?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after the break.